What's up, YouTubers? Coming at you again with the video. I know a lot of people out there has been looking for a video about the tint on a 2019 LT Silverado. Trying to match it up with the rear windows to the front. So I'm just trying to give you guys a little insight on what I did to try to match it up. So here's a good look at what I did. I got the 20% tint from the local auto shop and it matched up pretty well. So take a look. All right, so here's a look at my 2019 Silverado. As you can see, I tinted the front windows and the back ones are still a little darker to me than the fronts, which is perfect because you don't want the fronts to be darker than the back. Like I said, I bought the 20% tint at the local auto shop. It was only like $15 for the roll. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. So for you all like me who had questions about what the tint was on the Silverado, the back windows, I looked at the forums. Everybody had their own opinion on what it was. Some people went to local tint shops to get it measured. So I just went out and bought some tint just to see what would match. Like I said, I got the 35 at the first, and then I got the 20 because the 35 was too light. 20 matches up pretty good. I'm not sure what you can get online. You probably can get like maybe a 25 or something like that, maybe online. But the local auto shops only have 35, and then it dropped all the way down to 20. But as you can see, the 20 looks pretty good. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Thanks.